Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how to buy I Love Snoopy token. We all love Snoopy lots. It's the most fantastic meme coin in the world. The main utility of LoveSnoopy is to establish a vibrant and impassioned meme community that we can embrace with all our hearts. Based on CoinGecko, LoveSnoopy tokens can be traded on Bitrue, Bitmart, Mexi Global, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy LoveSnoopy tokens on Bitrue App. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Bitrue Exchange, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get exclusive rewards of up to 3,000 USDT. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Bitrue app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy LoveSnoopy token, go to the Market tab. Here you search for LoveSnoopy and choose LoveSnoopy USDT pairs. Click on the Buy button. This red section shows the sell orders and the green part show the buy orders and order history. This part shows the current market token price. Keep it under limit order for us to set our own buy price. Though you can use market order to buy LoveSnoopy tokens immediately using the best current market price. Here you enter the price you want to buy your LoveSnoopy token. And here you enter the amount you want to purchase. Let me use all my USDT to buy LoveSnoopy token. Once all is set, you tap on the Buy button. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders. Once your set buy price is triggered, it will be executed automatically. To cancel your order, just click Cancel here. To check your recent order history, tap here. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.